So I'm out here in the Triple Creek community today. Now this is located in Riverview, super popular community and quite a large HOA community. You've got all the amenities, schools, great place to raise a family if you've got kids. Now I'm introducing you to this home. This is built by Westbay and the Belmar floor plan, over 4,000 square feet in here. Big house, lots of space. Now a lot of people are coming to this community because you've got wide open spaces, lots of space saved for green. If you want to get outside, you want to spend some time out in nature, which is what people love to do because they're moving to Florida, spend more time outside. This is going to give you a lot of that flexibility. You've still got close proximity to a lot of what you need with shopping and downtown, but you're out of the city, away from some of that hub. So it's ticking the box for a lot of people. Excited for you to see what one of the options is that you can build here. Now this is one of a few different floor plans that you have the option. Let's go check it out. Let me know what you think. And there you have it. That wraps up the tour of this Belmar. Once again, we're here located in the Triple Creek community, located in Riverview. Now, a lot of people are flocking here because it's got so much green space to roam. You've got that suburban feel, but hey, you're still pretty close to the cities, to shopping, to everything that you need. So it's driving a lot of people here. Now, hey, if I can be a resource for you, boots on the ground, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My contacts on the screen. Would love to introduce you to some of these homes and the areas that look similar to this if it's a good fit for you. Thanks so much for watching this video. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.